slopes of Kilimanjaro.
Eager to create a paperless society.
Thank you. Well, in that case, the pleasure will be all.
Nice to have the last word.
Gretel went to Hansel, opened the stable door, and cried.
Read faster, else I'll fall asleep.
What? Oh, yes.
Well, Einstein, got any decent games?
I'm calculating the length of a DNA molecule.
Hey, it's a Millennium 2000 PMX! This is a really cool machine!
Give it to
And
me!
a power processor?
Give it to me!
Relax, Chucky, I'm just checking it out.
No, Fly, don't! No, Fly, don't hit escape!
What? Oops. Escape?
Oh.
Why not?
Well, madame, do you like the makeup? Okay.
You're lucky I made a backup. Do you have any idea what would have happened if...
Chill out, Chucky. Nothing happened.
Hi, Fly.
Weren't you supposed to be sleeping?
Aunt Anna's on my bed.
Oh, right. I'm out of here. Hey, Chuck, where are you going?
To wake my mom.
Oh, no, you're not.
Hey, give it back.
Guess where you're going?
I'm not going anywhere. Now give it back.
You are coming fishing with me.
Not in a million years.
I definitely think you are.
No, Fly. No! No! Ah!
Yeehaw!
Ah!
Isn't this just totally cool? I've got a bite. Hey, Chuck! Come on over, give me a hand!
I can't swim. I mean, hey, we're not allowed.
Come on, get a move on! Or are you scared?
Little.
It's a...
No, it isn't. It's a girl. I'm going to call her Sasha.
It has to go back in the water, Stella.
Here, give it to me.
No,
Stella, come on.
she's mine.
She'll die if you don't put her back.
I think we better go home now.
Let's go, Stella.